Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing with a TGIN product. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with the August brand Ambassdor box. So I got the box right here. I just opened it, but I didn't really go through it completely. So we're going to go through it together. So yeah, so I became a brand ambassador for TGIN about, I guess, the end of July, and I started, no, the end of June, and I started in July. I don't get any type of commission or anything from TGIN, but they just send me products to review on a monthly basis. And I already do love the brand, so I'm just like, okay, cool, free products, you know. Who doesn't like free products, especially since I'm a product junkie? Okay, but yes, if y'all like my hairstyle, I actually just did a tutorial on this low puff with the, I don't even know what you want to call this, a hump or something. But if you're interested in seeing how I did style my hair like this, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above in the cards. So yes, sis. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. And so this is everything in the box here. Okay, I don't know how good you can see it. Ooh, a card fell out. So the first thing, they asked me to choose 3 items that was on my wish, 3 items that was on my wish list for TGIN. So I chose the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. The next item I have is the TGIN Quench 3-in-1 co-wash conditioner and detangler. So I never actually used a 3-in-1 before, and it's been a long time since I used a co-wash before, so I'm really interested in using this after this, I guess. But okay, so the next thing on my wish list is the TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. So I have been using gels a whole lot when it comes to doing my twist out, so I definitely want to try this gel out and seeing how it will work on my hair. The next thing they sent me was this shirt. Oh, I didn't even see the back. Okay, so this shirt, it says TGIN, thank God it's naturals. Then on the back it says, thank God it's naturals again. Super cute. I actually should have got like a size large, because these mediums and these female t-shirts is just like, they low-key look a little thin and a little tiny. So you know I'm a little thick, okay? So the next thing they gave me is this little pouch right here, which is so cute. I think it's so cute. I love pouches, and I could definitely use this like when I'm traveling. So what they have in here, okay, so they have a little card in here, and it says, at TGIN, we strive to make products for our entire community, men and women, light and dark, the softest waves to the strongest coils. Thank you for helping us show the beauty of our natural community. Welcome to the TGIN family. So yeah, that's cute. And then they also in here have, oh, okay, they have 2 things in here. So they have the TGIN Natural Soap with shea butter and olive oil. It's a oat milk cookie bar. And then they also have the TGIN Peppermint Shea Butter Lip Balm. Now I actually got this lip balm from Essence Fest when they did have the TGIN ambassadors handing out products, but I'm kind of like scared to use this lip balm, not because it did anything to me before, but I've always had reactions when it came to like lip balms, such as like the actual brand called Chapstick and other brands, and I don't like it, like breaks out my lips. So I'm just kind of nervous about using it, so I may not use it just to stay on the precaution side. So the next thing I got is this box here. It says, thank God it's natural. So so in the box, okay, so in the box it says, hey miracle babe, and then we have some cards in here to say that the new RX line is in Target right now. And then they have an information card on these products that's in here. And so one of the products I have in here is the TGIN Miracle Repair X Strengthening Shampoo with black honey and coconut oil. And the second item I have in here is the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I actually already have this leave-in conditioner, and I love this leave-in conditioner a lot. So this is kind of like a replacement for whenever I do run out of the first one, which is yes. Okay, so in total I have, let's see here, so I have a total of 6 products, and that fell, it doesn't matter, but it's still in the box. So I have a total of 6 products that they gave me and sent me, including that shirt. I'm just so excited to be a brand ambassador. I love TGIN, so just, you know, being a ambassador, pretty much just promoting their brand and a brand that I love, I really love too. Okay, boo? So you guys just stay tuned on when I do some demos with these products. I'm definitely going to do the styling gel with obviously the leave-in conditioner, and then use one of my moisture creams that I already have to do a twist out, most likely, boo. And then most likely I'm going to do a little wash day video with the shampoo and the co-wash. So, well, they actually have 2 shampoos here. So the shampoo and the co-wash. So yes, I'm very, very excited to use these products. And if you do love unboxing videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell button once it turns gray so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. And don't forget to give this video a nice thumbs up, boo. Thank you.